Hey, Happy New Year to all you people. It's New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve, and what's going on? Well, I'll show you what's going on. Mike has been working away on the panel, which I said you never, oh, I gotta get around this way, which you never see all the hidden repairs until this video. All this. Hooking in behind. Now, you remember last video? He hadn't done that, did all that, got all this ready. This side's finished off. It's working away, doing all that. Done some work up under the back side. I'm not about to crawl underneath there so you can see. You can just envision it. Right? The gas tank goes. Good, good, good. I've been pulling glass out of the Parts Car Galaxy, the 67, and I've been installing it in the other 67 because weather's warming up and we might be able to start blocking this sucker, not this week coming, but the following week, and get it ready for paint. So I got all the glass installed on the passenger side. All took it out of the parts car. So all our edges, we paint all the edges down in here. And then I leave the stops out so the windows roll down beyond their point so we can still get paint in there anyway. 69 Camaro. I did all the welding on the front fenders, needed some welding. They're all primered up. Sean did the rough end of the first bodywork on them, along with the deck lid, which is not that one. I don't know. But anyway, Sean is busy here priming today. Oh, here's the deck lid here. There we go. He's priming away here. So we got, that's the trunk lid for the Camaro. Some more parts and pieces for the Camaro. And then he's priming away on all the parts for the Buick. All the fenders. This is final primer for the Buick. The fenders, the doors, all final primer. And once he's done that, he'll get onto the body. We'll get out of here. He's waiting to spray. Oh, whew, stinky in there. Whew. Okay. So, that's what's going on there. I am going to be back on. Hear me out. It's New Year's Day tomorrow. New Year's Eve today. Got a party to go to. My buddy Dan's house at well, whenever time it is. Going to a party over there. Not going to drink too much, just my usual. Going to go there and probably have, going to keep it low today. Going to have maybe 1 beer, 2 beer, maybe a margarita, maybe a Caesar, Bloody Mary if you're American, maybe a pina colada with a fucking umbrella and a cherry on it. I like that shit. Then I'm going to have me a whole bottle of Bumbu rum. Then, when I'm done all that, then I'll think about what I'm really going to drink. Anyway, so, after we do that, I'm going to be working on the Model A tomorrow. Damn right, I'm going to be working on the Model A. And you know what I got ready for when I'm working on the Model A? Let's open up this fridge. I got me 3 nice Coca-Colas in glass bottles. You know what I'm saying? And, to be quite honest with you, that's probably about as much as I'll drink tonight. I'm not going to drink much. But in January is going to be dry January. Not drinking a thing in January, and I'm going to go to the gym every single day. 31 days, I'm going to go every day. So, December was a bad month for me. I missed 10 days out of the whole month of this December. And November, I missed 4 days. November was a good time. And anyway, you guys don't give a shit about that. So, here's the parts car. Like I say, I've been pulling the glass out. It doesn't matter if it gets wet inside, because you know why? There's no floors in it anyway. It just falls right through. So try and get what I can off of here, what we need for that car. Put it on that car right now. And then come February, March, I can haul this son of a bitch out of here. Just get her taken out. So that's good there. The snow, as you can see, look at, I see green grass. I've still got a pile right here, which I may have to get my neighbor, depending on what the weather does in the next couple days. If this isn't gone by like Tuesday, I may have to ask my neighbor to come over his tractor and move it, because I can't get couple of the vehicles out of there, which should never be in there anyway, because that's my part where I park. But I'm such a good guy that when we run out of storage for customer stuff, I pull my own shit out and I put their stuff in there. So you got to do what you got to do. But you can see it is definitely disappearing, the snow. Loading up some stuff for the garbage, for the dump, taking down all my Christmas shit. That's right, I have a moose I put in my front yard, a deer, and some candy canes and all that shit there. Anyway, took it all down. Done. Always take it down on January. Once January comes along, I don't want to see your lights anymore after January 1st. done. You got till tomorrow night to get that shit down, or I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, so that's what's going on. Working around the yard, cleaning up shit, working on cars, having fun. As you can see, here we go. The glass is still in this side. Got to get the glass out of this side. This was a lifesaver, having the glass in here. I do one door, I take it out, I clean everything up, I put it in the other door. I just hate doing glass on vehicles. And the strange thing is, there's not many glass shops that'll touch it, at least where I am. Most of them are like, nope, nope, nope. So I always end up doing it. But I'm telling you right now, to any of my future customers, it's coming to a halt because I can't stand doing it. Look at this, I cut the, can you see that? Where's my arm? I'll cut the shit everywhere and just, oh God, it just annoys me. Yeah, so that's it. Big Blues out here hauling shit away. And yeah, so with that being said, I want y'all to go and have a good time. It's New Year's Eve, drink, party, have fun with your friends, your family, your dog, your cat, your bird, your bottle of rum. Have fun. Enjoy yourself, but don't drive home. Don't drive home. I want to see you guys here subscribing to me and still watching me and all that shit next year, right? So, yeah, we all think we can drive home when we're drunk, and we've all done it. We've all done it. I'll admit I've done it several times, but it's not a good thing. I don't do it anymore. I get a cab. I'm smart. I know what I'm doing. Or I have someone drive me. Tonight, my lovely wife is taking over the steering wheel, so that's a good thing. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jess. I appreciate that. Yeah, so I don't know. That's about it. I'm going to get on the Model A tomorrow. Probably won't be much of a video. Don't have much to show you. I got some rear shocks to put on. I got to run a fuel line up to the fuel block thing, you know, for my 4 carbs. That is about it. Do some more dynamatting. So I'll do a little bit of a video, but it won't be much to see. And then once that's done, Sean's got to run over it, make sure everything's okay, and it's time to get that sucker off the paint. Temperatures are warming up. We can paint now. Just was really cold here. Not that we couldn't run a fast reducer and a fast hardener and all that. We could have done that and still painted, but we just don't like to. And for the amount of cold weather we get, it never lasts for more than anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. So we just kind of postponed the painting bit until the weather warms up. And now the weather's warming up again. So we'll get on some stuff and hopefully everything will go good. And once I'm done playing with the Model A, I'm bringing the 58 wagon in. Going to pull the front sheet metal off it and yank the engine and tranny out of it. I'm going to clean it up, detail it a little bit, put a new wiring harness in the car, put vintage air in the car, the one unit that goes under the dash. It looks kind of period correct. Got me some new gauges for the car. That's about it. Just a couple things that haven't been done to the car that I want to do, because I want to know this car is 100% mechanically perfectly fine, because this is the car that I'm going to drive and the wife is going to drive every single where. Okanagan, the island, everywhere. We're going to drive it. So I need to know that it's just got all the conveniences I need and going to be a good car. So that's it. Happy New Year. This video sucks. Don't tell your friends. And hey, thumbs up to all of you. And please do tell your friends. I want more subscribers. I want way more subscribers. Come on, guys. We can do this. Anyway, see you later, guys. Happy New Year.